Today I will show you how to upgrade your RAM. First, open Task Manager by clicking on your taskbar. Then click on Performance. You can see your memory. You can even see how many slots are used up and the speed of your RAM. Now click on the link in the description below and carry on the steps to find your computer spec. This is my computer model and information. Now click on memory. You can see that 8GB of RAM will cost you around £37. You can follow the links to Amazon and get same-day delivery. Remove all cables from the back of the PC, including the power cable. Wait until the light has switched off. Then move your PC to an area that is clear and well lit. Hold the power button for 5 seconds to cut the current flowing through. Unscrew the side plate and remove it from the PC. Ground yourself by touching an unpainted metal surface. Your new RAM will go into the same color slot. Click the ends of your RAM slot. Grab your RAM by the side edges and avoid touching the gold pins. Align the nuts with the rims of the module. Press firmly on both sides until you hear a click. Place the lid back on carefully, and then screw it back in. Connect the power cable and other cables, and switch the PC back on. It may take a while to boot up.
Many months later.
Go back to Task Manager and check your RAM. Now I have 16GB of RAM, and 2 of the slots are now used up. Thanks for watching. Links will be in the description under the like button.